How to know your story comments on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your story comments on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, click on your profile or click on your story. Once you click, you're gonna find at the bottom 0 friends viewed. Click on it. And here you have no viewers yet, or you're gonna find your friends who viewed your story. Click at comments. And here you're gonna find all the people who comment on your story. Easy and quick. Just go to your story, click on the friends viewed up there, and you're gonna find comments. And this is it. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.